Hi friends, today I received a graphic card GeForce GT1030. I'm going to install this in my PC ThinkPad. So let's unpack this box. Okay. In this box we have a graphic card, the mounting bracket is bigger than my laptop PC, so it will not gonna fit here. So I need to install this small mounting bracket. I have to remove this one, so just give me a few seconds. I'll quickly install it.